that's all anybody's ever said about me. And yeah, I like to cut loose and smoke too. You might think I chose this way of living now, but it chose me. You can hear me coming with a 6-2 humming, Guns N' Roses bumping through a 12 in the floor. I don't need me nothing but a spot out in the country. I smile when they say that I ain't me anymore.
I get paid very well, so I don't get dinner at home. I love this time of year. You just eat out of the forest. Need a raise, Nate. Need a raise.
The old raise giver.
Ain't a thing changed round here but the money. You try to mix it up, but let me tell you something. Same liquor in my Dixie, same rowdy barn trick me. I'll be laid up in the dirt before you ever take it from me. So take the boy out the truck, take the boy out the mud, put him up in a PJ, he'll still try to get them 40 stuck. So line him up, turn it up and keep it running. Say whatever you want, but I'm anything but new to country.
Question.
Three. Maybe here, like right around here, maybe the closer to 4.
4? Oh no.
Close. 3.8. 3.8
yes, okay.
And then down here, maybe like 4 dos.
No.
That's quince. So we got quince 3-inch, 3 inch. So 1.5. So, okay, so if that was 3, 4, 5. See, right? And then shit.
See?
No, see.
It's 3.
I would go 3.
Yeah.
And be 4.
4.
And just 4.
4.
Minus 4.
Yeah.
Negative 4.
It's 3.
So 3, 4, 4, go bajo. Last one, we make that one perfect. This one, más o menos, close.
Okay, the base man is perfect.
But the next one, perfect.
You're okay,
Easy.
3-1.
3-1? 3-1, bueno.
3-1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Abajo, aquí. Zoom in on him when he decides to exit. No, he's not wanting to come. Crikey, we got a view. What we got here? Let's see. Oh, get him, boy, get him.
Really, you're getting me not getting a strap through there? All right, cool. Cool, man. You have enough? Grease all over the strap too. That doesn't help. Once I get it started, moves a lot better.
Is there another one besides this? Or is this it?
That's it.
But just getting it, how we going?
I almost think we want to wedge something under there. Because I don't want to put a strap super tight on it either. You know what I mean?
Right.
Watch that tree. Do you want it laying that way? You want it laying down or standing up? Where the hell did that hole come from? Thursday morning, just finishing up tarping this load of trees. We got plants loaded up in the trailer as well. So yeah, we're gonna go get this all planted. We'll see you on site.
You got a lot of nerve, don't you, baby? I only hit the curb 'cause you made me.
We're at our job site in West Lansing. We've been here for a little bit, got bed lines painted on, got plants all laid out. Jake's over here starting to plant, and then starting to unload these trees, get them in the ground. So yeah, come see what we're doing.
Living in your big glass house with the view. I thought you knew I had some help. It ain't like I can make this kind of mess all by myself. Don't act like you ain't helped me pull that bottle off the shelf. Been deep in every weekend. If you couldn't tell, they say teamwork makes a dream work. Hell, I had some.
With the big fucking bag. Yeah. Yeah. That's efficiency.
It's Nathan with Foxscapes, foreman on site and owner. We're here on site in Waverly doing a job. This is a client that we started work for last season, and we are just finishing up their front landscape. So today I'm putting in the brick edge. We put the patio and the plants in over the last 2 days, and we're just kind of working this one as we get to the holiday. So our goal is to be out by the 4th of July. It's looking like we might hit that deadline. And yeah, we're just pulling it all together, making this landscape really come together with the backyard that we did last year.
Yes, I had some help. It ain't like I can make this kind of mess all by myself. Don't act like you ain't helped me pull that bottle off the shelf. Been deep in every weekend. If you couldn't tell, they say teamwork makes the dream work. Hell, I had some help.
You know what kind of plant this is? Trash.